You really didn't say who you is, motherfucker. Come on, let's go back here. Let's go back here, me and you.
No, I don't want to do that.
So you support that?
I don't respect any. I don't support this.
You're not a man. Back up. Back up.
Don't get with my family. Don't fucking get with my family.
And don't deal with mine.
I'm not getting with yours. I'm not even touching him. I'm just telling him he cannot touch my family. He will not touch my family.
Call the police now.
No. Don't call no police. No.
Someone spit in my face.
That's enough.
You know what? I take you to fucking school. I take you to school.
No, for today. This is not a fucking high school. It's not a high school. Enough. No.
If you really say who you is, motherfucker, come on, let's go back here. Let's go back here, me and you.
No, I don't want to do that.
You don't want to do that? Why?
No,
I'm not fighting you. I'm talking to him. Listen, I'm not fighting you. I'm talking to you.
What's up with the security, bro?
We having the conversation. No, we having the conversation. We having the conversation. Let's me and you like men. Let's me and you like men. Go in the bathroom by ourselves. Let's me and you. Yeah. Oh, he's going. Come on in.
No, brother. No.
You come to the convention and you disrespect. I didn't disrespect. Your son spit in this man's face.
He disrespected my
So why you? So you talk to him? Don't spit in his face. So you saying spit in his face? Hold up, because they got their cameras out. You telling me spitting in his face was right? You understand? Hold up. You said spit in his face.
He spit in my father's face in front of everybody.
I say public. I took you to school from Fifth Avenue, and I took your son to school. You didn't have a car. I took him to school, not you. I took him to school. This guy. He spit in my face. I took it. I took it to
If I wasn't, I would.
You can see it in there.
You have somebody around you because Bernard will put hands on you.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, so you have make sure you have somebody around you.
Yeah.
This is getting out of hand.
Yeah. Where is he at?
Back up. We don't need everybody over to the side of the field. Set up a side. Wayne. Yep. Let's go ahead. Wayne, you want a room? I'm here private. No, not that room. You can go back. Let's go.